couple of the ladies, we gon' toss that in the air to show 'em money ain't a thing. We sitting clean with a couple of the ladies, we gon' toss that in the air to show 'em money ain't a thing. Sitting clean with a couple of the ladies, we gon' toss that in the air to show 'em money ain't a thing. We sitting clean with a couple of the lane, we gon' toss it in the air to show 'em money ain't a thing. We sitting clean. You gon' rob who? Shoot what? Then take what? Sneak this into your bitch, but when I pull up, you don't say nothing. They funny, man. These niggas be some whores. Claim they out here in the field, but they ain't kicking down no doors. And that's real shit. We out here. Any nigga want that beef? All these rap niggas want gangbang, but ain't never in no street. If we really out here beefing, you would never get no sleep. Straight pop you and your grandmother. That's really how shit be. Man, my fucking motto is to get money and lay low, so make sure that they know that all mine is cutthroat. Man, my fucking motto is to get money and lay low, so make sure that they know that all mine is cutthroat. We sitting clean with a couple of the ladies, we gon' toss that in the air to show 'em money ain't a thing. We sitting clean with a couple of the ladies, we gon' toss that in the air to show 'em money ain't a thing. Sitting clean with a couple of the ladies, we gon' toss that in the air to show 'em money ain't a thing. We sitting clean with a couple of the lane, we gon' toss that in the air to show 'em money ain't a thing. We
sitting clean, fucking me, true sign on the jeans. It's me and the team, Uber, lean squeeze on Glock and MGs. It's still Clip magazine, my sweat so mean. I'm about my green, no more to be said. She all on my deck, ducking from these feds. Whole clip to your head, Ratchet man, I'm hated. Shh, bitch, I'm faded. I'm in love with this paper, Gucci belt, Darth Vader. Thinking hard about this dream. I'm stunting on these niggas, man, it's harder than this scene. I'm on this lane, thinking about this green. Bring me home a little 30 and she threw it for 13. I'm sitting clean off this line cause I'm a fiend. Me and my niggas stick together, nothing can't get between. Sitting clean off this line cause I'm a fiend. Me and my niggas stick together, nothing can't get between.
We sitting clean with a couple of the ladies, we gon' toss that in the air to show 'em money ain't a thing. We sitting clean with a couple of the ladies, we gon' toss that in the air to show 'em money ain't a thing. Sitting clean with a couple of the ladies, we gon' toss that in the air to show 'em money ain't a thing. We sitting clean.
Whoop, whoop. Yeah. That on that bitch but a dip. That on that bitch but a dip. That on that bitch but a dip. We sick and we looking for chips. That on that bitch but a dip. That on that bitch but a dip. That on that bitch but a dip. We sick and we looking for chips.
Why these niggas flexing? Do they know just who I'm is? I got a petty ass shooter, shoot the top right off your kids. I don't owe you niggas shit, so get the fuck up out my face. If I had one wish, I wish that Grizz would beat the case. But I ain't tripping off that shit, cause he gon' hold it down. And if you disrespect the gang, then I'ma have to blow you down. I'm a savage ass nigga and my whole team gotta eat. Plus my brother down bad, I gotta make them ends meet. I'm a mafia boy, I finesse you out your cash. If you tough on internet, I put my shooters on your ass. All the witnesses, they saw black pants and black man. Throw the gun up in the lick, then put the clothes straight in the trash.
That on that bitch but a dip. That on that bitch but a dip. That on that bitch but a dip. We sick and we looking for chips.
That on that bitch but a dip. That on that bitch but a dip.
Yeah.
That on that bitch but a dip. We sick and we looking for chips.
I get it together and shit. Hit the plug for permission, and it's good for your sentence. I bet you I tell them to get it. That niggas my ex why I did it. Cause this nigga with the stitches. It's a 5 of the fittest. No matter where, man, I'm with it.
Do a nitty in the Bronco. Couple $1,000 on a condo. Bitch number 9 color Rondo. Put a toe tag on John Doe.
Bitches left me a car note. I just bought her a car door. She suck a fucking this is swallow. Swallow, this shit gargle. Man, I need it. But you better call Jesus. Cause I ain't serving you geek. I'ma leave it to the preacher. Big bro ain't serving neither. Bro doing time for misdemeanors. Beat it like this Argentina. I be with the H like I'm Caesar. That on that bitch but a dip. That on that bitch but a dip. That on that bitch but a dip. We sick and we looking for chips. That on that bitch but a dip. That on that bitch but a dip. That on that bitch but a dip. We sick and we looking for chips. Yeah. 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 What they call you, OG Peppin'? Cause I beat the white girl in the kitchen. Making soda water whipping. Rollin' like Michael Jordan, Scottie Pippen. Don't ask how I got it, I get it. Louis hat custom fitted. I kill a nigga in the witness. So my blicky start to clicking. What they call me, Michael Ratchet. Cause I split the brick into a fraction. And they highlighted my fashion. Pull another Janet Jackson. And you know I gotta have it. I'm not telling if they asking. I'ma take it to the casket. Diamond glove to the jacket.
Don't gotta ask me, just know that I'm with it. Bro got a problem, just send me the picture. Pull up, I'm parking, I'm hopping, I'm spraying. These niggas be goofy, I know what he's saying. Never get sleep cause I'm always on missions. These niggas be bitches, they know they ain't tripping. Chasing the money, ain't chasing these bitches. These bitches be thought, so it's nothing I'm missing. Niggas be bluffing, they know that we totin'. They scared to just get on some gang shit. Don't act tough for the internet when you know really you don't bang shit. Like Mike said, I'm a city guy. I'm a bake a nigga like an apple pie. I'ma always stay on some gang shit. Till the day I die, I won't change shit. Real shit, I won't never change. Only thing that changed was the way I think. Drugged up off a couple perks with a backwood and a couple drinks. Can't stop and I won't stop cause the nigga really got big dreams. If I get smoked, know one thing. Only real niggas gon' bang for me.
What they call you, OG Peppin'? Cause I beat the white girl in the kitchen. Making soda water whipping. Rollin' like Michael Jordan, Scottie Pippen. Don't ask how I got it, I get it. Louis hat custom fitted. I kill a nigga in the witness. So my blicky start to clicking. What they call me, Michael Ratchet. Cause I split the brick into a fraction. And they highlighted my fashion. Pull another Janet Jackson. And you know I gotta have it. I'm not telling if they asking. I'ma take it to the casket. Yeah, diamond glove to the jacket.
Yeah, you started this shit, but we shut it down. Giving these bitches the run around.
Talking shit, so we gun it down. Ain't no need to ask, we run the town. Sandy bars, take two of them. Money longer than a ruler, man. Ratchet staying with the shooters, man. Niggas acting like who the man. And I'm still known from the Uber, man. Still buzzing up for Jake Chan. 100 grand to 100 grand. Stone cold, I'm a stunner, man. Took his bitch, then we mad. Say he gonna put me in the bag. Peter Pan with the swag. Gucci handle, Gucci bag. 50 shot, extended mag. Put the white in the bag. Me and the white cool like Chris and Greg. I got the Margiela color red. I fuck on your new bitch instead. Squeeze on the shit, then I fled. Bitches flocking on the dress. She offer me ass with no head. What they call you, OG Peppin'? Cause I beat the white girl in the kitchen. Making soda water whipping. Rollin' like Michael Jordan, Scottie Pippen. Don't ask how I got it, I get it. Louis hat custom fitted. I kill a nigga in the witness. So my blicky start to clicking. What they call me, Michael Ratchet. Cause I split the brick into a fraction. And they highlighted my fashion. Pull another Janet Jackson. And you know I gotta have it. I'm not telling if they asking. I'ma take it to the casket. Diamond glove to the jacket. Gave me the drop on them niggas. And they gave me the drop on them niggas. Yeah, the drop on them niggas. Then man, they gave me the drop on them niggas. Yeah, drop on them niggas. Man, they gave me the drop on them niggas. Yeah, and they gave me a drop on them niggas. And they gave me the drop on them niggas. It's 100 per album on them niggas. I said they go good, they lost with these niggas. Yeah, he gave me the drop on them niggas. Yeah, and they gave me the drop on them niggas. It's 100 per album on them niggas. I said they go good, they lost with these niggas. And they gave me a drop on them niggas. And they gave me a drop on them niggas. Man, they gave me a drop on them niggas. Yeah, he gave me the drop on them niggas. But you gave me the drop on them niggas. Yeah, drop on them niggas. Man, they gave me a drop for them niggas. Yeah, a drop on them niggas. Back to the savage, they know that. Young niggas old like a throwback. They took like clipping the whole mat. Brother just gave him a whole sack. Yeah, we get it, yeah, we get it. Back in that brick for the Spanish. Once first you get it, it's finished. These goods do not come from the dentist. I always been me, no disguise. Swear I got a freak guys. Then I get back to the prize. These niggas say they making money. That's a motherfucking lie. Beat it down till it's dry. She fucking, she acting, she shy. I fuck her just stuck in the vibes, damn. And they gave me a drop on them niggas. And they gave me the drop on them niggas. It's 100 per album on them niggas. I said they go good, they lost with these niggas. Yeah, he gave me the drop on them niggas. Yeah, and they gave me the drop on them niggas.
a bitch. Really locked down, he ain't having no pics. Niggas be bitches, you see them, they stiff. You getting mad while I'm getting rich. Told you fuck niggas, I'm ballin' like Kobe, these bitches is phony, don't act like you know me. Told you fuck niggas, I'm ballin' like Kobe, these bitches is phony, don't act like you know me. One time coming, I'm jumping no fences. Little nigga, I'm bout my riches. Call shots, I'm winning. Kill a pussy nigga for a living. One call, then you end up dead. Cause my niggas gon' aim for his. I'm scared, that's what they said. Oh man, that shit did. Call me a villain, bitch, I be chillin'. Niggas be salty, so fuck how they feelin'. Bitches, you geekin', I want all my money. Stop talking to me, fuck, I look like a dummy. Blue tips, I ain't bluffin', dummy. If you want a nigga, you can have him. 3 shots at your dome, I can only imagine. Knew you was bluffin', so fuck it, I'm laughing. And they hating on me cause a young nigga tryna run his bands up. Get my cash up, nigga, I'm banned up. So it's kinda hard for a nigga pull his pand up. I'ma blast off on a nigga like a spaceship. Shoot in his face, that's gonna give us up to face. Those little niggas ain't nothing you should play with. Those little niggas ain't nothing you should play with. I'm not. Did such and such, you was hella real and I fucked up, my bad. You was hella loyal, you ain't down the ride. Plus you gave me all that you had. And I told myself a long time ago, straight fuck a bitch, no love. When I dive in, you be hella wet. You a keeper, baby, that's love. And I don't give a fuck about bitches, and I don't give a fuck about fame. When it really all comes down, I'ma still love you the same. Man, you slim thick with a pretty face. Put that kitty cat on the dinner plate. 6 and 9, let me demonstrate. And you know we hot, so they gon' hate. No, you hella mad cause I made you cry and you don't wanna hear what I'm saying. But hold on, don't let me go. That's every night what I'm praying. And I know a nigga really fucked up by entertaining these bitches. You my one and only, other bitches phony, so sit down and just listen. You my whole heart, we can't fall apart. That's what we promised straight from the start. We was ducked off during summer nights. You was hella skinny, still take the pipe. I'm the only one cause it's hella tight. Soon as we done, straight fuss and fight. Then I cut you off and that wasn't right. Once you get the crown, then I get it right. But I'm sorry for fucking that bitch in that party. If this love letter don't fix shit, just listen, baby, I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry. I am for fucking that bitch in this party. If this love letter don't fix shit, just listen, baby, I'm sorry. Did such and such, you was hella real and I fucked up, my bad. You was hella loyal, you ain't down the ride. Plus you gave me all that you had. And I told myself a long time ago, straight fuck a bitch, no love. When I dive in, you be hella wet. You a keeper, baby, that's love. And I don't give a fuck about bitches, and I don't give a fuck about fame. When it really all comes down, I'ma still love you the same. Man, you slim thick with a pretty face. Put that kitty cat on the dinner plate. 6 and 9, let me demonstrate. And you know we hot, so they gon' hate.
Bienvenido.
Yo, yo. Hello. Hey, bro, these niggas want more. Bring the chopper to the door. Why? Cause I said so. Niggas want a buck, I'ma tag toes. Go through clues, I'ma snatch the souls, catch a bully hoes. Alright, bro, I got the shit, you really extend the clip of the hollow tip. Man, real shit, I don't care. Cause either one gon' tell. Pull up, I'm right here with the egg kick in the rocket shit with the black mask and the trash bag and some lucky years, I ain't never scared.
Play with us and you play yourself. Hang with homies, act the hoe, catch a homie, never aim below the belt. Hating on this nigga, hang yourself. A lot of rappers got the tough guy act. Guess it goes with the image, I guess. Who for talk, fuck the rules, digest. Weed and Skittles heavy on my breath. No wonder why ain't nobody is buying the product. My niggas stop working for the cameras when someone's get you shot up. Got a lot of these problems and ain't nobody gon' solve them. Motherfucker, ain't you dead already? We just put nails through his coffin.
Got a bad bitch, her name Kylie. I call Kyrie. Pull cars in Ferrari. Rejetted up, Bob Marley. TBE, that's a part of me. Hollow tips split the arteries. Told you niggas not to bother me. I'm in the paint like a butter bee. Your baby mother keep calling me. Big loud pets make you fall asleep. AR make you count the sheep. Mad now, what problems? Call Ace Boogie Boosie Collins. With a bad bitch and apple bottoms. We just ride, stop the fake wallin'. Hollow tips, they rip, they divide 'em. Laser beam going spot 'em. We shot 'em. we got him. Matter of fact, nigga, fuck that. It's in the clip where the drum at. But that tat-tat, it kick back when it's pitch black. Where's bitch at?
You so tough, Mr. Rapper, come down to my hood and flex. Get your bodyguard shut up and that chain snatch right off your neck. Nowadays shit ain't the same, it's been a decrease in respect. I wonder why would Jesus come back if the world is such a mess. Cooking up some new material, just working out the kinks. Bought 2 dubs up in that show, you bet your ass that shit stink. Niggas claim they fans but too lazy to click my fucking link. Is that real gold up in your mouth like what the fuck you niggas think? And I done lost so many friends and they ain't dead but dead to me. Backs are right under my eyes cause I ain't seen no money sleep. If I get rich enough, do critics suck out playing the money tree. So all them bullshit ass reviews about my team don't mean a thing. Like you cannot fuck with me, no not even on my worst day. Cake all in my face, I guess I got more than one birthday. 7th grade, yeah, I almost got kicked out on the first day for showing up, but I need my respect all in the worst way.
Put him in the fucking box and make the fucking noise, call the fucking cops. Roll up when it's fucking block and if it's fucking hot then I'ma shoot the spot. I'm a dickhead with no dick on. Watch quarter mile whip for and I'm getting paid and I'm getting lit and I got the juice like in the niggas. I beat it up like Mike Tyson. She ride the dick with no license. Call up my young boy, I don't got the time to be fighting. I'ma paint the fucking picture. I'm that motherfucking nigga. Hold on the fucking trigger. Shawty make him jump, it's like a hiccup. So come up, no stick up. Dropping bodies at the pickup. Bag a bitch, I'm with the fucking, I'm round like David Ruffin. Fuck 12, they with the cuffin', keep it a stack, I'm never bluffing. Niggas bit the buffin', I'ma get the scruffin'. Nigga soft like a McMuffin.
Nigga gotta go. Man, you know we out here thuggin' and we got that for the low. We out here chasing all this money, don't give a fuck about a hoe. But this nigga out here ranting, so this nigga gotta go like bang. Man, that nigga gotta go. Man, you know we out here thuggin' and I got that for the low. We out here chasing all this money, don't give a fuck about a hoe. But this nigga out here ranting, so that nigga gotta go. Man, I'm really fed up, cause these niggas be some bitches. How you rapping about some killing, but you out here really snitching? Give a fuck about a deal. Come catch me in the field. I ain't taking no losses, either you kill or be killed. I might not be the richest, but damn sure the realest. If you try one of my niggas, swear to God that you gon' feel this. I'll open up your muffin, for real, because it's nothing. If I let my shooters go, they gon' bake you like some stuffing. Cause bitch, I'm not the one. I pull up, you gon' run. You keep on jumping over fences, but I told you I ain't missing, ain't no way I'm gon' leave. Fuck it, you can keep your shoes. Just give me all that fatty, leave your brains just like spaghetti, like bang. Man, that nigga gotta go. Man, you know we out here thuggin' and we got that for the low. We out here chasing all this money, don't give a fuck about a hoe. But this nigga out here ranting, so this nigga gotta go like bang. Man, that nigga gotta go. Man, you know we out here thuggin' and I got that for the low. We out here chasing all this money, don't give a fuck about a hoe. But this nigga out here ratting, so that nigga gotta go. All these new niggas keep bluffing and fake dragging. You ain't got no money, I know it, you keep bragging. All that fake tough shit, you can miss me with that shit, cause you ain't even really bout it for real. Yeah, you's a bitch and I don't want had to bust you for real. You like a youngin', but you disrespect my brother again, then I'ma touch you. I'm a over east nigga for real. You over west, stay your bitch ass where you at, for I'll put this up in your chest like bang. Man, that nigga gotta go. Man, you know we out here thuggin' and we got that for the low. We out here chasing all this money, don't give a fuck about a hoe. But this nigga out here ratting, so this nigga gotta go like bang. Man, that nigga gotta go. Man, you know we out here thuggin' and I got that for the low. We out here chasing all this money, don't give a fuck about a hoe. But this nigga out here ratting, so that nigga gotta go.
Bad bitch and a couple figures and a couple lawyers and a few gorillas that'll check a nigga for a little cheddar. Put it back up, bring it back up. Got a checkbook card maxed out. Put 50 G's on your trap house. Bring a bitch home, make it tap out. From a brother with the 50 shot. Got a long plot and a gold clock and a gold chain and a chrome watch. Started off with a couple dollars. Left the game with a whole knot. Pull up in a drop top, waving rotten dirty with a whole clock. Blow 500 on nothing. Shoot him down if he jumping. I'm not with the cuffin'. She suckin' fuckin', then I'm duckin'. Diamond size of a pumpkin. No 20/50s, only hundreds. Got hella designer. That's a meet you with some honor. Every week getting longer. My nigga ready for the karma. Wood grain trim bumps. 100 million, nothing under. Got a black fish in a log tank and a bad bitch and a gun. Got 100,000 in the bank, nigga. Get a couple figures by the summer. Big bank talk for you little niggas. I show you niggas how I really stack. Got a BM and a great Porsche and a Lamborghini. Let's jet black. Doing 80 in a Maserati car so fat, make you sit back. Got a Persian carpet in my house. Just cost a nigga around 3 stacks. Got good white from the main plug. Get a nigga good feedback. Still riding down on a nigga flexing, take him off like I need that. Everything that you need, man, I got it. Man, I'm high as the pilot, blowing up my phone, please can you stop it? Play your role as a side chick. Bro, hit me up, give me the knowledge. And I roll aside. And the car lot, 50 G's on it, then I cruise for an hour. Don't ask me again, but I told you. And everybody that's close. And my niggas stay local. Got a Lexus, man, it's old new. Got a crib, house, 50 G's, nigga, man, I don't ever really go to you. Bitch, get your hands out my face, fuck, nigga, I don't even know you. Got money coming in, nigga. TBE going global. Money 10 going global. Me and Cody going global. Rose gold fronts in the top fit. Yo, fuck, nigga, you not with it. Look back, get him like, let's get it. When it come to bitches, I got many. I got Gucci, I got Fendi. What's in the phantom, but I'm not in it. I slide through with a car in the backyard pool. Got 100 acres, crib so big, got lost in it. Stack of green, that's all letters. Got a bad bitch with a weird feather. I got a GF, she real jealous. Cop sawed off with a gold pillar. Maserati, ride by, clip in, drive by. Niggas try snitching, not out. Y'all niggas chicken pot pie. Y'all niggas chicken pot pie. Ratchet one, you gon' get it. Ratchet get in there, got it. Ratchet leaving with your bitch. Ratchet take it to the cabin. Ratchet cooking by the kitchen. Ratchet take it to the cannon. Ratchet hanging with the savage. Ratchet rolling with the bandits.
Gotta get it up, gotta get it, gotta get it up, gotta get it, gotta get it up, gotta get it out here, gotta get it out here, gotta get it out here, gotta get it, gotta get it up, 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 You can get shot, you can get robbed, you can get smacked. I rob a nigga, take him off, you can get snatched. Hell no, I don't wanna hear nigga shit way. Talk big shit till I slide through and get your shit cracked. Gotta got it, gotta have it, gotta hold it, gotta grab it. And I gotta be a savage. Talk gang Gucci bandit. Still hang with my niggas. All about that skrilla. I'm with gorillas, bitch, I'm with gorillas. Yeah, bitch, you still with gorillas. Yeah, I'm real, you a fake nigga. Yeah, I'm sliding, yeah. Gotta get it, gotta get it, gotta get it, yeah. Still riding with my niggas. That's great, what could be love, what could be love, yeah. Gotta get it, gotta get it up, gotta get it, gotta get it up, gotta get it, gotta get it up, gotta get it out here, gotta get it out here, yeah. Gotta get it, gotta get it, gotta get it, gotta get it up, gotta get it, gotta get it up, gotta get it, gotta get it up, yeah. Gotta get it, gotta get it up, yeah. Gotta get it, gotta get it. I said going out to spend us. Don't forget that I'm winning. I'ma never be finished. Like the bitch like Nana, record it like Anna, and she know that I'm with it.
got your bitch, you talking about, I have you seen, me and this paper, we sticking together like Martin and Gene, Lamborghini girl, yeah man, I need, pull up all white, that's what a nigga, just like a sea star, yeah, Lamborghini, yeah, Lamborghini, Lamborghini, nigga Lamborghini speed, the 180, Lamborghini girl, then my baby, I'm sipping on mud, like those baby, I'm going away, take a Perry, I'm flipping it down, full baby, my watch make it snow, while it's rain, I'm after this money, paper chasing, I pop up in the hockey mess like I'm chasing, I'm a millionaire, you in trouble, man, every pay me like man, it's double, man, I pull out the shot of you stutter, man, you talking, I did it, I done it, man, I hold it together like rubber bands, I'm in the shoes, so me got it, man, I really fuck with that shit, understand, I fuck like that shit, I fuck with man, yeah, Lamborghini, Lamborghini girl, niggas, so I ain't say nothing, now this head with metal. Call me up a couple niggas, my hitters, I tell them go get them. I just face off, grab an 8-ball, nigga, I'm winning, man. And I got enough money just to keep out what I feel. I got your bitch, you talking about, I have you seen, me and this paper, we sticking together like Martin and Gene, Lamborghini girl, yeah man, I need, pull up all white, that's what a nigga, just like a sea star, yeah. Lamborghini, Lamborghini speed, the 180, Lamborghini girl, then my baby, I'm sipping on mud, like those baby, I'm going away, take your Perry, I'm flipping it down, full baby. Lamborghini speed, the 180, Lamborghini girl, then my baby, I'm sipping on mud, like those baby, I'm going away, take your Perry, I'm flipping it down, full baby. Lamborghini speed, the 180, Lamborghini girl, then my baby, I'm sipping on mud, like those baby, I'm going away, take your Perry, I'm flipping it down, full baby. Lamborghini girl, yeah man, I need Lamborghini girl, yeah man, I need pull up all white, that's what a nigga, just like a sea star. Yeah, I'm rich and retarded. That shit got diamond regardless. A lot of not alright. So people ain't looking for comments, but I can resolve that. You gritty, I'm begging you fall back, because I'm with all that. We hide for niggas in all black. I'm rich and retarded. That shit got diamond regardless. A lot of not alright. So people ain't looking for comments, but I can resolve that. You gritty, I'm begging you fall back, because I'm with all that. We hide for niggas in all black. It's the way you work, they looking for me. Bring your bitch through, she cooking for me. Bro, hit me up, he got Benny for me. G5 put us up in the sky. Fuck the outs and free all the guys. Fake niggas put on a disguise. Mook up, pull up and unload all the pies. Taking over one plug at a time. Birds can't stop it, you know that. You don't get the picture like Kodak. 1 million working, I own that. All I need is one call and I'm on that. 130 and I call up my comrades. Shit, I'm bringing your hit back. I got love for all my brothers. We some icy motherfuckers. Came on whenever I live on that. Into the clip and we do with that. If they ask, I got nothing to do with that. Better than this shit, I ain't with the child. Nigga people that'll beat you, we moving the style. It's illegal, get down and lay down. Mini sequel, you copping the deuce and we copping the eagle. I got hella niggas in Montana, I buy some dose. And Cabana goes right in my whip. But my man is my pocket so fat, just like China. Got hella niggas in Montana, I buy some dose. And Cabana goes right in my whip. I'm rich and retarded. That shit got diamond regardless. A lot of not alright.
ain't looking for comments, but I can resolve that. You gritty, I'm begging you fall back, because I'm with all that. We hot for niggas in all black. I'm rich and retarded, don't say God got me regarded. Collide and I fall out, so keep it ain't looking for comments, but I can resolve that. You gritty, I'm begging you fall back, because I'm with all that. We hot for niggas in all black.
Bitch, I'm handsome and lit, cause of my wrist and my kid. I'm a slut dick in that bitch. After a nut on my dip, back to the drugs and the money. I swear I'm in love with the money. You niggas in love with these dummies. I fucked your bitch and her buddy. My team, we ball like the Nuggets. Ooh, yeah, we cash out, fuck the budget. Ooh, no her blow me like a trumpet. Ooh, she got her face in my stomach. Ooh, why I blow down in this gas? No birds, but I keep that grass. But keep that shit on the look, cause niggas be giving them fuck. Niggas be breaking the code.
I'm a boss like you know, but no I can roll. Got that G in the piggy bank. I fix a gun when I'm in the paint. Fast come and put it in the drain, and I was rushing before the fame. Baby, that's how it go. Baby, that's how it go. I'm a boss like you know, but no I can roll. Got a G in the piggy bank. I fix a gun when I'm in the paint. Fast come and put it in the drain, and I was rushing before the fame. Bash, gotta drop and NY. Then I cut the city. Me and K got a $150. Montana go clutch for me. Niggas want it, come and get it. Bitches fiendin', come and get it. 410, 443, water weapon. Smoking trees, counting G's. Overseas, see. Loaded up, but she say that's to me. Montana got the car dragging. Tell her niggas side action. And a blicky not fucking jamming. Niggas flexing, got no gadgets. That shit hella whack. Bitch, that clip clack. Man, that shit hella wet. That hella wet, yeah. That's hella wet. Yeah. Baby, that how it go. Baby, that how it go. I'm a boss like you know, but no I can roll. Got a G in the piggy bank. I fix a gun when I'm in the paint. Fast come and put it in the drain, and I was rushing before the fame. Baby, that how it go. Baby, that how it go. I'm a boss like you know, but no I can roll. Got a G in the piggy bank. I fix a gun when I'm in the paint. Fast come and put it in the drain, and I was rushing before I'll whack a nigga, then get some snacks. Keep it in the club or the trap. Montana got hammers, riding Gucci, all gammo. Bitches rock chewy, yeah, and camo. Still got the chips in the band, don't hit them up like I need it. Got Jesus on pieces, drop top Alpina, drop top Neonina. But see what Aquafina. Pull up, I got a lot, I got a cop. Or don't you block, me and Tanner getting smoked up. Y'all niggas getting choked up.
I'm so Tony Montana, hopping out that van, nigga squeezing on cannon. I'm so ghost in that fan, taking over your line. Why you so mad? I'm so fast, I'm like Flash. Tony Montana, yeah, I'm so Tony Montana, hopping out that van, nigga squeezing on cannons. I'm so ghost in that fan, taking over your life. Why you so mad? I'm so fast, I'm like Flash.
Got racks in my wallet, NG5 with no pilot. On the Molly, young fur. 4 or 5, that bird, yeah. Talking shit, but they scared. Maserati go skirt. Hammer time, no words.
Fuck niggas won't learn.
Bad bitch in my taste. Got Medusa on waist. Rolling with the Padre. Handstand in Ali. Body more where you find me. Real niggas get grimy. Pull up in a NASCAR with an AK and AR. Ride up and come snatch y'all. Playing games, no can come. One hand on that money, staring with the left arm. Bro in love with that wife. You can call him Uncle Tom. Bro get caught with that charge. 100 bands living large.
I'm so Tony Montana, yeah. I'm so Tony Montana. Hopping out that van, niggas squeezing on canna. I'm so ghost in that fan, taking over your line. Why you so mad? I'm so fast, I'm like Flash. Tony Montana, yeah. I'm so Tony Montana. Hopping out that van, niggas squeezing on cannas. I'm so ghost in that fan, taking over your line. Why you so mad? I'm so fast in that fan.
Cause we charged up in that Dodge. I let it trap like fuck bros. I'm on the corner whipping up with stars. I don't open doors in them cars. Giving face shots to them dummies. Got the wrist looking like honey. It's double karma type money. That thug like 220. Fast cars in the third lane. My whole team gon' blow, nigga. Shit, man, no propane. With a couple shots from that bar and a few shots from that 8. Splitting round with that propane, nigga. Headshots, no Novocaine. I'm Mr. Tank and I'm off the chain. I stay high, no earth. My bitch fly, she off the chain. She do a thing, no ring. She took the work, I took the rats. That's how we do everything. White boy, I call him out. That nigga name be Irving.
I'm so Tony Montana, yeah. I'm so Tony Montana. Hopping out that van, niggas squeezing on canna. I'm so ghost in that fan, taking over your line. Why you so mad? I'm so fast, I'm like Flash. Tony Montana, yeah. I'm so Tony Montana. Hopping out that van, niggas squeezing on cannas. I'm so ghost in that fan, taking